Meanwhile, the Supreme Court to disallow the live media coverage of the Maguindanao Massacre trial continues to draw flack. Adding her voice to those wishing to see a public trial is the head of the Public Attorney's Office, Aljo Bendijo, with the details.
Public Attorney's Office Chief Attorney Persida Rueda Costa expresses dismay over the Supreme Court decision, reversing its recent ruling banning the live TV and radio coverage of Maguindanao Massacre case. Acosta says since the petitioners are represented by the state, relatives of the slain victims as well as the public should not be deprived of their rights to a public trial as a means of transparency to make it sure that rules of court and the presentation of evidence are strictly followed. The High Court decision has made relatives of Maguindanao Massacre victims to lose hope in their quest for justice. They expressed disappointment after the court reverses its first decision just to favor the appeal of prime suspect accused Datu Unsay Mayor Andalan Patuan Jr. due to alleged violation to his right to due process, equal protection, innocence, and degradation to psychological punishment.
Supreme Court naman, kung mailalahad mo sa reconsideration o motion mo, may papaliwanag kung gaano ka-importante ang isang issue, ay pinag-aaralan nila lahat ang issue. Kaya sana naman ito, wag mo nang mamatay yung point na yan. Talagang, para sa akin, mas maganda live coverage yan. Kasi ang public entitled also to public trial. Dahil ang complainant dyan ay ang people of the Philippines.
Okay. Meanwhile, Acosta reiterates her stand not to favor the restoration of death penalty while renovating some flaws dissected in the Philippine penal laws as well as the process of litigation of criminal cases in courts of justice.
Ang pagpapataw ng death ay talagang absolute truth na o absolute na tama kasi kung minsan kulang lang sa ebidensya, walang kakayahan yung akusado, ang punto dyan, pag napatay na yan, nabitay na yan, at saka dumating ang mga bagong ebidensya, paano kabibuhay niyan, ano na yan, kung patay na. So, mas maganda buhay siya, na magdusa siya ng 30 hanggang 40 taon, na kung saan talagang walang kasalanan, dumating ang panahon, pwedeng muling i-reopen ang kaso.
For the People's Television Network, Dijo.